Namaste everyone. So in my last video I have shown you how to make bar graph, pie chart. So today I will teach you how to make histogram. Now these are the marks of a student. As you can see here, I have given the marks of 20 students out of 50. So now you can see the chart, that one I have prepared. The first is the class interval. Okay, class interval. So what is here? This side it is called the lower limit. Okay, lower limit, and this is called upper limit. Upper limit. Now since the marks is out of 50, so what I have taken, I have taken the class interval in this way: 0 to 10, then 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. You can see 0 to 10, the difference is 10, because 10 minus 0 it is 10. So in each interval you can see 10 is the difference. Again 10 to 20, the difference is 10. 20 to 30, difference is 10. So 10 is the class size. That is called class size. Okay, class size. Class size. So the class size is 10. Okay, since the difference you see in each interval the difference is 10. Now let us, as you are familiar with Tally-Mark in previous classes also. Okay, in class 6 you have done Tally-Mark. So let us do first Tally-Mark. Now see 8. So where I will give the mark for 8 Tally-Mark? In the first interval. So let us give a strike here and give one column here. Okay, again 6 we have to give here, because 0 to 10, that means up to 9 I can take here. If any number will come 10, then it will come in the next interval. Okay, in this interval it will come from 10 to 19. If suppose the data is given 20, then it will come to third interval. In this way we will be doing the Tally-Mark. Okay, so 1 2 over, then 15, where 15 will come? 15 will come to this interval. So 15, strike it. 25, so 25 will come here, strike it. 35, 35 will be coming here, so strike it. 42, 42 will be here, strike it. Then 49, okay, 49 will be here, strike it. 7, 7 will be here. Then 18, 18 will be here. Okay, 23, so 23 it will be here. 39, so 39 will be here. Okay, 46 it will be here. 37, again it will be here. 9, so 9 will be here. 50, so 50 will come here. 44, now see 44 will be already 4 we have completed. So to make it 5, what we will do, we will just strike it here like this. Okay, so 44 is completed. Now 46, again here 1. 36 it will be here. 11, so 11 will be here. And then 26, finally 26 it will be here. So now you count. This is called frequency, because in this interval you see here 4 tally marks are there, so the frequency will be 4. Next it will be 3, then again 3, it is 4, and it is 5 plus 1, it is 6. Now you count. If 20 will be the, because total number of students is 20, so the frequency should be 20. 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 14 16, so 6 it is 20. So the total frequency is 20, which is equal to the total number of students, that is 20. That means our this table it is correct. So now we can plot this frequency here, that is we can make the histogram. So now let us first make the class interval 0 to 10. So 0 we have already given, so you make here division. So 0 to 10, okay, then 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Let me make the class interval small because the place is small here. It is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, okay, 90, and this is 100. So it is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. One thing you remember, to make histogram, the class interval should be continuous. You see 0 to 10. Again it comes from 10 to 20. Again you see 20 to 30. That means there is a continuous, okay? These are in continuous. So that means the class interval should be continuous to make histogram. Otherwise histogram is not possible. Okay? Now here highest, you see highest marks, okay, it is 50. So let us take 10 division. Here also okay, I have done one mistake, that is in the y-axis we have to plot the frequency. Okay, so let us make one here division. So 1, because you see highest value is 6, so let us make 6 division. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keeping one thing that the division should be equal. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the frequency. In y-axis we are plotting the frequency, and in the x-axis what we are doing? We are doing the class interval. Okay, this side it is the class interval. Class interval, that is the marks of the students. Okay, and this is the frequency. Now you can ask me what is frequency. That means what? From 0 to 10 marks 4 student has got. Okay, as you can see in the data. Okay, so there are from 40 to 50, how many student has got? 6 student has got marks that range from 40 to 50. So that means that is the frequency. Now you see 0 to 10, how many student has got? 4 student. So from 0 to 4, so this 0 to, so this is the first one. Then again from 10 to 20, how many student has got? How many total? 3 student has got. Okay, so 10 to 20, 3 student. 20 to 30, how many students are there? 3 students. 20 to 30, again 3 students, so the graph will be same. 30 to 40, 4 students are there. Forty to 50, total 6 students are there. So as you can take as many as data. If you want to calculate up to 100, okay, I have done up to 50 class interval because the total marks was 50. If the total marks is 100, so you have to increase the class interval. So I think, I hope all these things is clear, how to make this histogram and all. So you try at your home. Some questions are there in your textbook based on histogram, so you try. Okay, if you face any problem, you just give a message in my WhatsApp group. Okay, so I will clarify your doubt. So regarding histogram, whatever I have things I have told, that class interval, frequency, what is the class size, so these things are important. And this, at first this was ungrouped data, we have make a grouped. Okay, using class interval and all, we have made the data in a group. Then what we have done, we have plotted the histogram. So in this way you can draw the histogram. So with this I want to conclude. That's all. Thank you.